Hey folks, Greg Arnold here, inviting you to beat the heat at Arundel Mills while visiting with Steve with Premier Ponds on July 16th, 17th, and 18th. Steve will be on hand to answer construction, design, and finance questions to enable you to have a beautiful, relaxing oasis in your yard. Steve also helps you give your family a gift that will keep on giving year-round, and that's why they call him the Summertime Santa Claus. There we are. There you go. It's faded out on me. All right. You don't have a name tag. Gary. Okay, I'm with Gary. And Gary is with Halicon-Works. Halicon Works, correct?
That's right. That's correct.
Now, Gary, I'm going to try to get this picture. There we go. That's a little better. You were whiting out on me. What basically are they, or is this?
Halicon was started by a man named Bill Hutchins, and he's got a team together, and we all are part of this team, as Peter is, and we all collectively build a house for you.
Oh, okay.
We just supply you with the materials, but we supply you with the ideas how your house can mirror your character, and so how you can live more comfortably in your home.
So you're custom designing a home? Custom
designer, custom builder, all sustainable, all green building as much as we can.
Oh, really? Yeah, I'm looking at this picture right here. Is this what you're referring to? I mean, I wouldn't want a house look like that.
Well, that just gives you an idea
of
shelters and how, how things don't have to be so linear anymore.
But these houses up here look normal to me, the ones you have written up here on these screens.
This is straw bale. These walls are built out of straw bale right here. As you see, we use all natural timbers. We do living roofs as much as we can.
Oh, let me see that. Let me see that living roof picture.
We have a living roof here on this particular one.
And that living roof also cools, doesn't it?
Also cools. That would and insulates both.
Neat.
Insulates,
oh, look at cools. That one. Look at that one there.
Right, that's a living roof there. And this one here is our steel manufacturer, where he uses all recycled steel here, and that's a handrail going downstairs.
How about that?
This here, you can see how we use natural timbers on the inside of homes.
Down on that one. Oh boy, this can be editing.
Don't hurt yourself.
That's just age.
Right. It's age.
That's a beautiful house there.
It is. It's natural. This is in Anne Arundel County. This one is in Tacoma Park.
Pretty too. Well, look at that wood.
This is a cob stove that we built here, which is clay. Which is clay.
Whoops.
Straw.
This is, what'd you call this now? A cob.
And this is in Anne Arundel County. This is a Pittman farm home. It's straw bale. We're just building one right now outside.
Oh, it's straw. It's actually made of straw. And then what do you put over it?
That's right.
Concrete, or what do you put over it?
Lime plasters on the outside and clay plasters on the inside.
How about that? So the straw acts as not only the wall, but an insulation.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
How about that?
Your outside envelope of your house is so important these days.
Yeah, it is. No question.
Keep the energy in there.
We'll get that over here, when you kept saying straw, I didn't catch it until I just saw the bales of hay, straw, or whatever you want to call it. That is unbelievable.
You use hay, you have to use straw.
Has to be straw. What is the difference? Hay's for horses?
Well, straw there's no moisture in it, and hay there's moisture.
Oh, okay.
Hay has the oats and the barley and the clover. Hay is dry as a bone, and you can't have moisture in your walls.
You got that right.
So we're just...
Yeah, when you kept saying that, I wasn't catching it. I thought that was the name of the people when you said a straw home, and then I looked at it, and I saw, and we've seen this gentleman on TV right here. He was on The Bachelor. Just kidding. Not quite a while. You can tell, look at that smile. You are politically correct, sir. He said, "I've been for a while." That was funny. Oh, well, thank you, gentlemen, again.
You're welcome. See ya.
Straw homes, how about that? That's pretty neat.
Right.
Hey, folks, here he is, star of stage and screen many times on television with Greg Arnold. You can see him on YouTube and Good Morning Maryland, Unique Home Renovations. Bel Air Engineering for the absolute best heat, air conditioning, service, you name it, he's got it. He even has a tin man behind him. There he is, ladies and gentlemen. Star of stage and screen, Donnie Risher. How are you, Don?
Very well, sir. Thank
How's things up at Bel Air Engineering?
you. Very well, very well. We're coming into the hot part of our season, and you know, we're busy taking care of our customers.
Do you have any kind of service specials coming up by any chance, Don? You know, like call you up, you come out and check it, make sure you got enough Freon, make sure you oil all the parts and everything like that?
Exactly, yeah, Greg. We have a service tune-up special starting at $79.
It's not bad.
Yeah, give us a call.
Can't even buy a tire for that.
Yeah, I guess it's been a while since I bought a tire. The service manager takes care of that. But anyway, yeah, the service tune-up, give us a call. Stop on the website, bellaireng.com.
Man, that's a big unit you got right down there. What the
Yeah,
world
this
is
is
that?
a 21 SEER, quiet as a mouse, state-of-the-art, high efficiency. Right now, the government is offering a $1,500 tax credit. This qualifies for it. The utility companies are also offering rebates. Carrier air conditioning is also offering a rebate, and we're offering a rebate as well, a trade-in.
Wait, you get all them rebates, it's almost free.
You know, it essentially what it is you can get a top-of-the-line system for last year's middle-of-the-road price. You know,
Wow.
middle of the line.
Is that an Obama deal?
Yes, it had part of the Obama tax stimulus.
Or is that a Debbie Risher deal?
Both.
You better say that.
Absolutely. That's the politically correct answer.
Gramineae, Francaria, Dermatophagoides farinae. No, these hideous creatures are not the villains in the latest Space Invaders movie. They're microscopic particles, so small and light they can be carried on breezes no stronger than a baby's breath. And worst of all, millions of these dust, smoke, and pollen particles are probably invading your space. If you're an allergy sufferer or have sinus problems, you already know why that's a problem. But it's also a problem for everyone else. Aside from the obvious health concerns, these particles also make your whole house dirtier, can prematurely age fabrics and drapes with excess dust and dander, and decrease the efficiency and life of your furnace and air conditioner. Many experts agree that one of the best ways to remove dust, pollen, smoke, and other contaminants from the air in our homes is with a high-efficiency whole-house air cleaner. And the air cleaner that industry tests prove to be one of the best is the one I put in my home, a SpaceGuard high-efficiency whole-house air cleaner. SpaceGuard is the #1 selling media air cleaner in North America. Once you understand how it works and all its advantages, you'll know why. The cleaning media that's at the heart of every SpaceGuard is actually an adaptation of the sophisticated air cleaners used in hospital operating rooms and other clean room applications. It's so effective that it can trap those microscopic particles I talked about earlier, even if they're less than 1 micron in size. To put that into perspective, a particle like dust isn't even visible until it's at least 10 microns in diameter, and most pollen is twice as large as that. The principle is simple. Your furnace and air conditioner pull dirty air from every room in your house. The air then passes through SpaceGuard's high-efficiency media. Did you know there's 78 square feet of surface area in each SpaceGuard media? The clean air then goes through the furnace where it's heated and then recirculated virtually contaminant-free to the rooms. There are no dials to set, no parts to clean, and SpaceGuard's patented media, which actually gets more efficient as it's used, will work for 1 year or longer between replacements. And because it cleans the air before it goes into the furnace or air conditioner, it saves you money by minimizing wear and tear, effectively increasing operating efficiency and equipment life. I know I can trust it because SpaceGuard is from Research Products Corporation, the makers of April Air whole house humidifiers, and they back SpaceGuard with a lifetime limited warranty, the only high-efficiency air cleaner with such a warranty. What do you have in your furnace? Chances are it's a standard furnace filter like this. Not problems there may be. Your home will be a clean air zone if you have a SpaceGuard. Nobody makes clean air easier.
Hey folks, Greg Arnold here, inviting you to beat the heat at Arundel Mills while visiting with Steve with Premier Ponds on July 16th, 17th, and 18th. Steve will be on hand to answer construction, design, and finance questions to enable you to have a beautiful, relaxing oasis in your yard. Steve also helps you give your family a gift that will keep on giving year-round, and that's why they call him the Summertime Santa Claus.